So how much should you sensibly risk per trade in terms of percentage? Now, there's some maths towards this. We've got a calculator for our members, and really your first question is, how much maximal drawdown do I want to see on my account? Because recovering from that losing run also is important. So if you had £1,000, you might choose 20%, which is 200. Now, if you let that account deteriorate too far, let's say you had a losing run and you're down to 500, you then need to double that account to get back to where you started, which isn't sensible. And if it was so easy to do 100% gain, you wouldn't have lost 50% to start with. So first factor is drawdown recovery. Let's say you want to keep that at 20%, yeah? The next thing to consider and look at is what win rate you have and what data, because if you've got a strategy with a 50% win rate, then what that will mean is that you could see a losing run at any one time of still 8 to 10 trades consecutively, yeah? What you then do is you take that data and divide that back into your 20% if you're just trading that one strategy. Now, if you're trading 4 strategies, you would take your 20% maximal drawdown and maybe create 5% baskets of that risk per strategy, which could then result in you trading 4 pairs at say 0.5 or 0.6% per trade. So when people tell you that trading 1% per trade is sensible, then it totally depends on how many pairs or strategies that you're executing and what the win rate is on that pair. So if you're trend trading, you might only have a win rate of 35 to 40%, of which then if you're trading 3 or 4 pairs, 1% is going to be too high. So in summary, drawdown recovery, win rate will tell you the probability of your losing run, how long that might be, and then you can plan accordingly.